So, from the mediastinum testis, the septa they pass toward the periphery, toward the tunica albuginea, and in this way it forms pyramidal shaped labules. This one is a labule, this one, all these are labules formed by these septas. And these labules, they are lined by tunica vasculosa. I told you the third layer covering the testis. That is the tunica vasculosa, and this tunica vasculosa that line these labules, and these labules they contain seminiferous tubules. Now these seminiferous tubules, they are coiled in these labules. As these seminiferous tubule, they move posteriorly, they become straight. This straight part of the tubules, that is called the vasa recta. And the mediastinum testis, it contains channels here, channels of this tube. This channel of tube, that is called the rete testis. So the coiled seminiferous tubule, then they become straight one tubule, they are called vasa recta, and these vasa recta, they join this channel, these channels present on the mediastinum testis. These channels are called rete testis. And then from these channels, these tubules, they move upwards. This posterior portion, comma-shaped area, that is called the epididymis. This one is the epididymis, head, body and tail of the epididymis. So, seminiferous tubule, coiled one, then straight one called vasa recta, then chain of this tubule called the rete testis. The rete testis, these tubules, they move upwards towards the head of the epididymis. These tubules, they are called vasa efferentia. Now, these tubules in the head of the epididymis, they join together and they form a single duct called the ductus epididymis, that is present in the head, body and tail region, and posteriorly it ends as a vas deferens. The vasa recta, this straight tubule, they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium. The tubules of the rete testis, they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium, and these tubules of vasa efferentia, they are lined by the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Then the ductus epididymis, that is lined by the pseudostratified non-ciliated columnar epithelium. And this one, the vas deferens, that is also lined by the pseudostratified non-ciliated columnar epithelium. So the length of the ductus epididymis, that is about 6 to 7 meters, but these are coiled. This duct is present as coiled duct here, and its length is about 6 to 7 meters. So that is all briefly about the anatomy of the testis. Now about the histological structure. light लगा मुझे